When borrowing money, it is important to be able to calculate one's anticipated periodic payments ahead of time. This is valuable information when determining budgets and when projecting cash flows from a project. With minimal information, an investor is easily able to calculate their periodic payment by hand. Because calculating a loan payment is relatively straightforward, let's start with an example. Mike wants to buy a house. Everything that Mike is looking for in a home is commonplace, with one exception. Mike wants a jacuzzi in the living room. So, when Mike finally finds a house with a living room jacuzzi, he knows he can't pass it up. However, Mike only has $50,000 in his pocket, and the house is listed at $250,000, and the owners will not budge. Mike needs to get a loan. Mike goes to the bank, and because he has good credit and a good job, the bank gives Mike a $200,000 loan. They will be charging him 2% annually for this money, and they are amortizing the loan over 30 years. Like most lenders, the bank is requiring Mike to repay the loan in monthly increments. Because Mike is conscientious in regard to his finances, he wants to determine what his monthly payments are going to be before committing to a loan in order to adjust his existing budget. Here we see the first step of the monthly payment calculations. Because the bank quoted the annual percentage rating, in this case 2%, Mike needs to adjust this down to a monthly percentage. He does this by dividing the 2% rate by 12, the number of months in a year, giving us a monthly interest rate of 0.001667. The second step of calculating a monthly payment is the most labor-intensive. However, it is still largely straightforward. First, we take the monthly interest rate of 0.001667 and multiply it by 1 plus this amount, raised to the total number of periods in the loan, which in this case is 12 times 30 because it is a 30-year loan, giving us a total of 360 periods. We then multiply that product by the total amount of the loan, $200,000. Next, we divide this product by 1 plus the monthly interest rate to 360 once again, and then subtract 1. This gives us a monthly payment of $739.13 for Mike's $200,000 loan. In conclusion, one needs very little information to calculate a loan payment. All that is needed is 4 things: the amount of the loan, the term of the loan, the annual percentage rating of the loan, and the borrower needs to know how frequently the payments are to be made. With these 4 pieces of information, a borrower can calculate their periodic loan payment.